Did you know that your liver performs over 500 essential functions every day? It's the body's master filter, crucial for detoxification and overall health. But modern life is putting unprecedented stress on this vital organ, leading to congestion and sluggishness. When your liver struggles, it can signal various health issues. Common signs include persistent fatigue, brain fog, skin conditions, digestive complaints, and hormonal imbalances. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for addressing the root cause. The liver operates as a detox powerhouse. It neutralizes toxins, regulates hormones, and helps maintain blood sugar levels. However, environmental toxins, processed foods, and chronic stress all contribute to liver congestion. So, how can you support your liver naturally? The answer lies in a combination of herbal remedies and lifestyle changes. Let's explore 10 herbs with strong evidence for liver support. Milk thistle, dandelion root, artichoke leaf, schisandra berry, turmeric, burdock root, yellow dock root, cleavers, nettle leaf, and castor oil for topical use. These herbs work by improving bile flow, reducing inflammation, and promoting detoxification. A well-rounded liver support protocol focuses on opening elimination pathways, actively supporting the liver, and nourishing liver tissue over several weeks. Diet is also a critical factor. Incorporating fruits, bitter greens, and cruciferous vegetables helps boost liver function. Conversely, reducing sugar, alcohol, and processed foods is essential for maintaining liver health. For women, liver health is closely tied to hormonal balance. A healthy liver ensures proper estrogen metabolism and supports overall reproductive health. In summary, supporting liver health is a holistic process. By understanding the signs of liver congestion and utilizing natural remedies, you can significantly improve your overall well-being. Start addressing your liver health today for a better tomorrow. If you're ready to take the next step towards a healthier liver, consult with a qualified healthcare provider to create a supportive plan tailored to you. Don't wait. Your liver will thank you.